Hi guys, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video, we're going to be decorating this tag. This tag was sitting in my room. I had done this, placed this cardstock paper. It was textured cardstock paper. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I'm telling you, this was supposed to be for me. And then I put it off. So the cardstock paper I got when we had a store called AC Moore. That was the craft store I used to go shopping in all the time. And they had this textured paper there. That's how long ago. They closed a while back, before the holidays, I think. And so I glued this black paper to the tag, and then I never finished decorating the tag. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I decided that we were going to use these stickers that they have now at the Dollar Tree in their crafter section. This one is the strip with the pearls. I don't have the tag with me. And then these are the large iridescent gems, and I got these at Walmart. These are the large ones. Then the pearls, I have a jar. I keep the pearls. Every time I see them at the Dollar Tree, I stock up my jar, my little farmhouse jar. And then what I did is we're going to be using the wooden letters. So the wooden letters, what I did here is I painted it in the pink because I was in the middle of doing my mom's project. Decorating her sign, so I went ahead and I painted these letters pink, and it's going to say the Grace Life on there. And I went ahead and sprinkled it with glitter because it's for me, and I like to have that bling. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the project. Everything I'm using to decorate this tag is down in the description box below. So okay, we're going to put a strip of these gems right along the top. I don't need to use the hot glue for this, guys, because this adhesive back here is very good. Okay, so I'm gonna place that down, and then the excess I'll place back on the paper. We'll put that aside. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of dab because I don't want my pearls to fall off. So I'm going to put a little bit of dab of this Fix All adhesive, and I got this also at the Dollar Tree. So okay, then we are going to start gluing some of these pearls. I just decided I wanted them close together. And I don't think I'm going to keep that twine in the back because it doesn't go with this whole vibe here, this whole bling thing I got going on. So guys, this is what we have so far. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Okay. So now, I think what I'm also going to do is, because this paper didn't go all the way up to the top, I'm going to do another row of pearls along the bottom here. So I'm just going to put little dabs of glue. Alright, I'll close that lid properly. guys, this is like so beautiful. Let me show you what that looks like. I don't know if the camera's gonna really show. This is like so beautiful. Well, of course we gotta wait for that glue to dry. So this is what it looks like so far. Isn't that nice? I'm loving that. That looks stunning. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna come down along the border here up to the V here with the iridescent gems. So I'm gonna scatter them. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Guys, I decided to go ahead and fill in, so I'm going to fill in the empty gaps here and try to do that as evenly as I can. So, since I ran out of the pearl ones, I also grabbed one of these gold ones, and I'm really wanting to go along the side of this border here, on this side and this side, with this strip. So I think we're going to go ahead and do that. And because this is a rough surface, I am going to put some glue. I don't believe we have to, but I'd feel better if I did. And one strip goes along the whole bottom here. That is so pretty. That is so pretty, guys. Okay. And we're going to come over here and we're going to do the same thing. Okay guys, let me show you what that looks like. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me get this. So, one of the things we need to do is figure out the placement of these letters. So, let me see what I'm going to do here, because I don't know how I'm going to fit these letters. Let's see how we can do this. Yep, they barely fit, but I got them on there. Okay. And then we have life. Now that, my friend, is the Grace life. Okay, so now we figured out the placement. Now it's time to go ahead and glue this down. we got that on there. Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you what that looks like. That's one thing my mom and I have in common. We both like the bling, and we both, well, you know, the glam thing is definitely our thing. I must have got it from her. So, isn't that beautiful, guys? That is absolutely gorgeous. The only thing I don't like is that twine, the twine in the back, and so we're gonna do something about that right now. We're gonna cut this off. And honestly, I don't know if I even want this to show, so what I'm going to do is I am going to glue the twine back. I'm just going to glue it so it's not seen when I'm hanging it. I don't know, lately I haven't been wanting the hanger to show. You guys can do it any way that you would like if you're decorating something like this for someone. This is a nice gift. You could even put someone's name on it. Let me just spread that out a little bit more. So that's going to take a few minutes to dry. So guys, that came out absolutely gorgeous. I'm very happy with it. Again, everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. If you enjoy the video, please hit like, share, comment, and yeah, I will see you in another video. Bye.